The Philippine Eagle and the Monkey. Ang alamat ng agila at ng unggoy by Cyrus Lorenzo. The monkey and the Philippine eagle found a coconut tree. Ang unggoy at ang agila ay nakahanap ng isang puno ng nyog. Then, they cut it in half, and the monkey took the part with the leaves, and the eagle took the part with the roots. Pagkatapos ay pinutol nila ang kalahati ng puno ng nyog at kinuha ng unggoy ang may mga dahon at kinuha ng agila ang parte na may mga ugat. They replanted the coconut tree on the farm. Then, they watered the tree every day. Itinanim nila ang puno ng nyog sa bukid. Tapos, dinidiligan nila ito araw-araw. Then, a few months later, the monkey's coconut died while the eagle's coconut grew. Pagkalipas ang ilang buwan, namatay ang nyog ng unggoy habang lumalaki ang nyog ng agila. The monkey's tree was not growing because the monkey took the part of the tree. Hindi tumubo ang nyog ng unggoy dahil kinuha niya ang tuktok na bahagi ng nyog. The eagle asked the monkey to climb the coconut tree, and so he did. Umakyat ang unggoy sa puno ng nyog matapos hilingin ng agila na umakyat siya. The eagle then asked the monkey if he wanted to share the coconuts, but monkey said, "They're all mine." Tinanong ng agila ang unggoy kung gusto nilang paghatian ang bunga nito, ngunit sabi ng unggoy, "Akin lahat ito." Then, the eagle was mad and he put thorns around the tree trunk, so the monkey would step on it. Therefore, he couldn't get the coconut. Tapos, nagalit ang agila at naglagay siya ng mga tinik sa paligid ng puno para matapakan ng unggoy upang hindi niya makuha ang nyog. The monkey got mad and threw the eagle into the river, but then he flew up into the sky and got the coconuts. Nagalit ang unggoy at itinapon ang agila sa ilog. Ngunit, nakalipad ang agila sa itaas at kinuha ang mga nyog. The moral of the story is, don't fight and just work together. Ang aral ng kwentong ito ay, magtulungan, huwag mag-away. A Filipino folktale adapted for a modern audience and told in English and Tagalog, printed with the support of a Good Idea grant in April 2025. Waipao High School's Multilingual Marauders!